What's up, everybody? Mr. Steve back, and I've got a crazy update for OCP add-on. The whole idea behind this add-on was to add proxies so that you don't have to have the viewport slowed down, but it just got so much better. This was kind of my end game. Now we have a clone object and decimate. So go ahead, grab your active object, click the button and hit create proxy and click OK. Give it just a second. It's going to clone this thing out. Now you're like, oh no, my texture. No, don't worry about that because that's never going to show up. If you know anything about OCP, you just go ahead and render your image. It's going to come out perfect, not going to be decimated, and all the textures are going to be just fine. Now the cool thing to note is that this has render switch built in. You can turn that off if you don't want it. It's now 25,000 faces. If we go through here and just go ahead and delete the OCP, we grab this object, it's 101,000. We just sped up the viewport tremendously, and you can do this to every single object in your scene. Now, because of the nature of it, you're going to have to do it one at a time, but this is pretty cool. And as we go, render this one more time, you guys can see that's not going to show up in the viewport, only this good image right here. And boom, there we go. And render switch will save you crashes in the background too.